guys, it is Robin the Lady Biker. Hi, I am coming to you today, again from the garage, because I'm actually doing an install today. One of the things I've been wanting to do, one of the upgrades or things I want to add to my bike were highway foot pegs. So, that's what I'm installing today. So guys, with that, let's go ahead and get the install going. Because, you know, you gotta have all your tools and need one more tool. All right guys, we've got one side down to roughly in the right spot, roughly the right angle, and we're gonna hold off just a little bit on all the final tightening down so we can do this other side. If you don't have, if you can have someone help you, because you really kind of need about 3 hands to do this. And so my husband's coming in to be my extra pair of hands, and really he's had some really good ideas on how to make this a little bit simpler. So we're gonna try something here, and if it works, I'll let you know. All right guys, several lessons learned installing the highway pegs. 1, C-clamps are a must. Rubber grips so you don't scratch the chrome. 2, you really do, unless you've done this, unless you're a mechanic and know, all the tricks to this, but if this is your first time like it was mine, you really do need another pair of hands because there are so many moving parts and pieces. It just makes it go a lot easier, a lot faster. 2 or 3. Ladies out there, don't ask your partner, because I can tell you right now, what you're thinking and what they're thinking are 2 very different things, and there's gonna be moments. Bless his heart, my husband is a wonderful guy. He is smart. He had some great ideas. But what I was thinking, what he was thinking were not always the same thing, and it got interesting.
I don't know what your problem is.
So, basically, ladies especially, but any of you who are new riders, don't be afraid to try some of these things, because yeah, this did not go the way I anticipated for a number of reasons, but now it's done. I'm so happy, especially with a possible long trip coming up. But guys, now get out and ride. Have fun, be safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.